Now that you've claimed an offer, you're ready to begin shopping. Different order types will require different steps, but for now, let's walk you through how to complete a shop and deliver order. First, experienced shoppers recommend reviewing the order details before heading to the store. Requested items, time estimates, customer notes, and the retailer location can all be found here and can help you plan your trip. When you're ready, swipe Head to Store. After arriving at the store, you can select Send Intro Text to let your customer know you're about to shop their order. The app will provide you a pre-written message, but you can customize it any way you'd like. Shoppers with experience like to use this time to ask the customer if they need any other items on their order. Now you're ready to shop. Tap Start Shop and begin gathering items. Make sure details like sizes, flavors, and quantities match the information provided in the app. Mark an item as found, then scan the barcode. Some shoppers say that attention to detail may increase your chances of receiving high ratings and tips. You can review customer notes on things like produce, for example, green versus ripe bananas. Customers also like when shoppers make sure items aren't expired or damaged. Sometimes requested items may be out of stock. You can find a member's substitution preference in the order details screen. Some members prefer you to use your best judgment, some will want you to send recommendations, and some will prefer no substitutions at all. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete substitutions. If you don't see a requested item on the shelf, store associates may be able to check if the item is available elsewhere in the store.